Miss, and then Tanka, that is a silver coin, and I said what? Copper जीतल coin. Understood it? Further, अच्छे से याद रखते रहेंगे, बाद में जीतल को भी हाफ कर देंगे लोग. Understood? जब पैसे की कमी होगी तो क्या करेंगे? They will decrease the quality of coins. And आपको ही पता है तुगलक के बाद ही होने वाला है everywhere. Thereafter we have been able to see one, जब वो इल्म है, इल्म वाला बंदा क्या करते रहता है? पढ़ाई करते रहता है. उसको कौन डिस्टर्ब करे उसके सिर में चढ़कर? मीना सर करिए, मिनाजुल सिरास, and he has written तबकाते नासरी, तबका दिया. Yes or not? And we have seen this one, and what he has made, he is known as father of. Because of this he is not able to give concern over their family and all. उसका बेटा मर गया, सुल्तान गढ़ी, and there is a father of tomb. And after that coming of Ruknuddin Firoz, Shah Turkan, his mother, you know that they both were what I said, that killed by their nobles. And coming of Rajia Sultan, and Rajia Sultan, you know that, not accepted, wearing male attire, and what, Yakut, and moving towards Altunia, remember? And then in between Yakut was killed and Altunia get married with this Rajia Sultan, and Bahram Shah came and then killed both and become. But in between 40 में से एक बंदा था, क्या नाम था? Ghiyasuddin Balban. And then, is it okay? Ghiyasuddin Balban ने क्या किया? Yes, tell me. He killed all Chalisas, all people, और 3 चीजें. Yes, here you have been able to see administration, Diwane Arch, Diwane Vijarat. Yes sir, Department of Finance, Department of Military, and then religious. I said the deputy of the god, Niyapite Khudai, and then Jille Ilai, shadow of the god. Can you remember? And thereafter we have been able to see उलेमा को बोला पॉलिटी में आप नहीं आओ, पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम डू नॉट इंटरफेयर. और इन्होंने बनाया एक बलबन टॉम्ब और रेड पैलेस. सो दिस इज द खिलजी डायनेस्टी आर्किटेक्चर. थोड़ा सा एक शॉर्ट में कर दूँ आर्किटेक्चर में. कुतुबुद्दीन ने कुतुब मीनार, कुतुल इस्लाम मॉस्क, 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा. अंडरस्टूड? और इससे एसोसिएटेड थे इल्तुतमिश और आल्सो फिरोज शाह तुगलक. देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन, यस, ड्यूरिंग द Iltutmish, he has helped in the forming Firoz Shah Tughlaq and all, Qutub Minar, and thereafter coming of Balban, and that is I said that Balban tomb and Red Palace. Is it okay? So we have given the structure of your Delhi Sultanate, and then thereafter we'll move with the Khilji and Tughlaq tomorrow, and maybe Khilji Tughlaq उसके आगे ही बढ़ जाऊँ. So please come after reading it. Okay? खिलजी, क्योंकि सैयद एंड लोधी में there is no too much things happen. लोधी में बहुत सारे टॉम्ब बने हैं, and Delhi was full of tomb by the Lodi. And which are the 7 architecture we have seen?